Preparation. The principles of tooth preparation are preservation of the tooth structure, preservation of the periodontium, marginal integrity, structural durability. Under structural durability, we have occlusal reduction, axial reduction. Under retention form, we have diluting agents used, dislodging forces, material cemented, roughness of the fitting surface. Under geometry, we have tapered, freedom of displacement, path of insertion, length, stress, preparation. Alphausen et al. Quantified the volume of reduction of the tooth structure associated with different commonly used preparation designs such as microcomputed tomography. The all-ceramic crown preparation design for the mandibular central incisors has the highest percentage of the tooth structure reduction, while the lowest percentage of the tooth structure reduction was associated with the ceramic veneer preparation design for the maxillary central incisors. Tooth preparation, the process of removal of diseased or healthy enamel, dentin and cementum to shape a tooth to receive a requirements for the tooth preparation are biological, maintenance of the pulp vitality, adjacent teeth and the soft tissues, conservation of the tooth structure, mechanical, retention and resistance. Under aesthetic, we have minimal displacement of metal, minimal display of metal, adequate thickness of porcelain, proper. Under biological, we have conservation of the tooth structure, avoidance of the over-contouring, supragingival margins, harmonious occlusion, protection against tooth fracture. Under mechanical, we have retention form, resistance form, deformation. Under aesthetic, we have minimum display of metal, maximum thickness of porcelain, porcelain occlusion surfaces, and subgingival. Guidelines of tooth preparation includes total occlusal convergence, occlusal cervical inside the cervical dimension, ratio of occlusal ratio of OC and FL dimension, circumferential form of the prepared teeth, reduction in uniformity, reduction in depth, traditional location, and line angle formation. Principle of tooth preparation includes preservation of the tooth structure, retention and resistance form, structural durability, marginal integrity, preservation of the tooth structure includes preserving the remaining tooth structure. Conservation guidelines include the coverage, that is a partial coverage, that is a partial versus complete coverage norms, margin supragingival versus preparation of the teeth with the maximum practical convergence angle between the axial walls. Occlusal surface reduction follows anatomical planes and axial surfaces if necessary. The teeth should be orthodontically retention and resistance form. Retention prevents the removal of the restoration along the path of incision or long axis of the tooth preparation. Resistance prevents the dislodgement of the restoration by the forces directed in the apical or oblique direction and prevents any movement of the restoration under the occlusal force. Retention form includes dislodging forces, geometry of the tooth preparation, roughness of the fitting surfaces, the restoration material being cemented, and diluting agent.